headband wig on. As you guys can see, it already does come with a black headband. You guys, this hair is so natural looking. Like, I'm just gonna get close so you guys can see the quality of the hair. It's almost like a Yaki hair texture, I would say. Very natural. So if you are blending out, because you guys know I try to do my baby hairs, I don't do baby hairs. So if you guys don't want to wear it like this, you guys do want to pull it back and put your baby hairs out, your baby hairs will match this hair perfectly. So this is how it looks straight up the pack. I just threw it on my head like this, and it does come, as you guys saw, with two headbands. Let me go ahead and open it, see how many. Okay, there are two. So there's one headband, which, let's see how it looks. This one looks on. So let's say you want polka dot headband like this. If you just don't want black, so here's the polka dot one, which I think is cute, but my favorite, I already can see, is gonna be this one, which is the flowers. It's already a lot thicker, which I like, and it could cover the whole black band. So let's put this one on. You guys can see, oh yeah, I like that better. Super cute. So you guys, if you wanted to do a couple hairstyles, pony, oh yeah, let's show the back. You see, ponytail up, or hair down, very flowy, as you guys can see. So yeah, I really love it like this. You could do so many hairstyles, ponytail to the side, anything that you want. Headband wigs are very versatile, so I definitely recommend this wig. It is the headband wig for women. It is 16 inches and it is in the color 1B. It does already come with a wig cap, which I can see, so let's go ahead and open it. With a wig cap right here. It shows you guys how to wear it. It does come with other headbands. So I'm seeing a polka dot headband, I'm seeing a flower headband, so that's super cool. You can interchange them if you don't like the headband that comes with the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and take the protective netting off. I'm gonna take the paper out of the wig, and you guys can see the headband that it comes with is this black headband. As you guys can see, the hair is, oh yeah, you guys could already see the quality of the hair is very natural looking, which I love. Go ahead and look at the inside of it. It is on a headband, so I do see a comb at the top. I see combs at the bottom. The adjustable strap. Let me see, there's another comb over here, and I can show you guys the adjustable strap. You guys, and this Velcro strap is very secure. I could not even get it off with one hand. I had to take it off with both hands. So you know when you put the wig on, it's gonna be very secure, very well made. So as always, all the info would be in the description box below. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.